This is a review of the Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam Tire Shine that I would highly recommend. This tire shine, I've been using this for over the past 6-7 months now, and so far this has been very easy to use. And what I want to first start out by saying is that when you apply this onto your tire, it pretty much, you can see it has like a white foam that is soaks in like that. You could either leave it like that in the sun and it will dry on its own, or you could use a microfiber towel or a rag towel and just, wait for about like, pretty much you start on one tire, and then after that you go on the second tire, and then the third tire, and the fourth tire, and pretty much you give it like 5 to 6 minutes of wait time, so that way you can get the maximum results. After that, you pretty much your preference if you want to apply a microfiber or a rag towel and then pretty much clean up the surface after that, or it could also dry on its own as well too, or you could use a tire enhanced glosser that it's like pretty much a thing that goes around your tire like that. You can use that as well too. But overall, the Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam, it exceeded my expectations, and I would highly recommend it if you are wanting a high gloss shine. Then this is probably one of the best products that would definitely not disappoint you. And I've been using this, like I mentioned, for the past 6-7 months now, and I use this on my everyday car, and it leaves your tires shining, and it always looks like brand new, like what it pretty much shows on like what the product mentions. And I would definitely recommend the Meguiar's Hot Shine Tire Foam.